Ankara. So Ankara is the capital of Turkey. So we're just traveling, and this is the fastest train which is there in Turkey. So which goes at speed of 250 kilometers per hour. And if you see, like, this is a wagon one, so the first coach, and there is no one. It's only me. So it is like kind of weird, but you know, you can just have fun everywhere, go around. But yeah, not like in India, because in India the trains are very much it's not fancy, and like they are there'll be a lot of noise, but you would enjoy a lot in Indian trains. Okay, so but here you can't, because it's so silent and so boring indeed. So maybe like I felt like it would be completely filled, but it's only like one seat which got filled. So that's me. That's it. Hi all, Dinesh here. Good afternoon. So right now I'm at Ankara Anıtkabir. Okay, this is a very famous place in Ankara because it's a grave of the first president, and this is where the grave has been kept, and it looks so good. And this is very I mean, like, they actually consider this place as pretty auspicious, and it's really good touristic place as well, because it's the first president's grave. They respect it, and you're happy to see that. And it's a must visit place because it's too good to come over here and say this. So this is another view from Anıtkabir. So you see, you can see the city of Ankara. It's so beautiful, and this is where they light up during special days with fire, and they actually would participate in all the patriotic activities over here. It looks really good. So right now I'm at Atakule, which is the sign of the city of Ankara, and that is what it is written in Turkish. And from here you would be able to see the entire Ankara. Hope everyone are doing good and safe at home. And right now I'm at Ankara Castle in Turkey, and this is the view from the castle, where you can see the entire city. And these are the old Ottoman era houses, which are back then 14th century. Hi guys, so she is making Turkish coffee, where she added sugar, she added the coffee powder into that particular copper vessel, and now she's gonna move that around so that the coffee gets prepared. Not sure how it happens.